Hello students, wish you a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing well. So children, today we are going to read a new story named as The Friendly Mongoose. It is taken from Panchatantra and written by Vishnu Sharma. This story talks about the human tendency to jump to conclusions hurriedly without thinking anymore. The story teaches us that we should think twice or thrice before we act. Otherwise, we have to repent throughout our life because we can't undo our actions. So let's start reading. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. They loved him very much. We must have a pet, the farmer said to his wife one day. When our son grows up, he will need a companion. This pet will be our son's companion. His wife liked the idea. So, a farmer, along with his wife and a small baby, used to live in a village. Both he and his wife loved their child. One day, a farmer spoke to his wife and expressed a wish to bring a pet to his house to give as a companion to their son. His wife was also impressed with that idea and agreed. One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. It's a baby mongoose, said his wife, but will soon be fully grown. He will be friend to our son. So, after getting her confirmation, the farmer brought a baby mongoose as a pet. After seeing this, his wife said, "It is so small, what? It will be soon grow up and be a good companion to our son." So children, in this picture you can see that the farmer and his wife are talking. A little mongoose is also there and the baby is sleeping in the cradle. Cradle means small bed for a baby. So let's forward. Both the baby and the mongoose grew, and in 5 or 6 months the mongoose had grown to its full size. A lovely animal with 2 shining black eyes and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. Both the baby mongoose and his son grew within 5 or 6 months. The mongoose grew to its full size. It looked so attractive with a bushy tail and 2 shining black eyes, whereas the farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle and he used to sleep and cry alternately. One day, the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. Rocked means to move him. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, "I am off to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping, keep an eye on him." Frankly means honestly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. So one day, the farmer's wife wished to go to the market to bring some necessary household things. She fed the baby and moved him a little to make him sleep on his small bed. She picked up the basket and told her husband to take care of the baby in her absence, as she didn't trust on the mongoose because it was an animal. And that's why she didn't want to leave her baby alone with that mongoose. "You needn't be afraid," said the farmer. "The mongoose is a friendly animal. It's as sweet as your baby, and they are the best of friends you know." But the farmer assured her to not to be afraid, as the mongoose was a friendly animal and it will never harm the baby. They will play like friends. Don't worry. The wife went away, and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at his fields not far away. He ran into some friends on the way back and didn't return for quite some time. So then the wife went away, and the farmer, as he was getting bored in the house, he thought to go out to do some work at the fields that were not very far from their house. On the way, he also went to meet his friends and became so busy in talking with them that he got late. Then what happened? Let's see. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her as was customary. Customary means as usual. The farmer's wife took one look at that mongoose and screamed. Screamed means shouted. "Blood!" she cried. The face and the paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. Smeared means covered. So after shopping, his wife returned to her home with her basket full of groceries. The mongoose was waiting for her return by sitting outside the house. When he noticed her, he ran towards her as usual. But she noticed blood on the face and paws of the mongoose and started shouting and crying. She thought that it was her baby's blood. You wicked animal, you have killed my baby, she screamed hysterically. She was blind with rage and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the blood smeared mongoose and ran inside to the child's cradle. So, scream means shouted, I told you, and rage means anger, and wicked means cruel. She thought that the mongoose had killed her baby. Actually, she was blinded by her fear inside her, and she hit the mongoose with the heavy basket with full strength in her anger. Then she ran inside to see her baby. She wondered by seeing that the baby was fast asleep, but on the floor lay a black snake torn and bleeding. Torn and bleeding means died. In a flash, she realized that what had happened. She ran out looking for the mongoose. Then when she entered into the room, she wondered why, seeing that the baby was sleeping sound and a black snake was lying dead on the floor. In a moment, she understood everything and ran out to have a look on the mongoose. Oh, you saved my child! You killed the snake! And what have I done? She cried, touching the mongoose, who lay dead and still, unaware of her sobbing. Sobbing means crying. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily and rashly, stared long at the dead mongoose. Then she heard the baby crying. Wiping her tears, she went in to feed him. Now, after realizing her mistake, she started crying. She touched the mongoose who was lying dead. Now, the farmer's wife was sobbing, but it was of no use because she acted unthoughtfully in a panic, and now there was no option for her except repenting for her whole life because it was too late to react now. So, children, the moral of the story is look before you leap. Means we should think for many times if we are going to act something. We should not react in a hurry, otherwise we have to repent like the farmer's wife. So children, I hope you understand the story very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.